You're gonna fucking pop now.
This is Austin's revenge.
His head's gonna fucking pop, mate. He's got no fucking cover on at all.
Oh, fucking hell.
I'm out my fucking football.
And there's the can in a pile of shit.
It didn't even pop.
Well dented though.
Well dented. Go on, you can have a go on this.
No,
it's 2-1. I'm not up.
No, you forgot 2-1. He got 3-1. 2-1. Fresh.
Go on, Trev.
Go on, Trev. Choice event, take 2. Come on.
Anyone going or
We don't like to fucking do that. So.
I mean, shows me.
You smashed it. Why did you know that?
I did give it quite a hard go, like.
No, you fucking didn't look at it.
Is Trev gonna do it?
I'm not going to do it. Fuck off.
No, come on.
Or am I just wasting video time here?
Come on.
I'm not asking for that.
Jace, BD said, come on. What? Put your down, go on.
On the cone, fucking hell. I'm not going to do it as hard as I want, like.
Go on.
Oh!
Oh shit.
I've got more shit on me fucking hands.